What it do? It's your boy Manny Fresh coming back from the dead. You know, yes, it is me. Where have I been? What have I been doing? Honestly, I say this every time. I'm gonna try to improve and everything. I haven't copped anything. There really has not been anything. Took the L on probably every freaking hype shoe there is. Can't win a raffle on Finish Line. Sneakers is a waste of my time. Sneakers app. The Yeezys, I don't know. It's the same shoe every time. And I haven't been able to cop anything. But today, I'm at least one video a week I'm trying to get out. No matter what the nonsense is. And I don't know if I want to. I don't know. I'm all over the place. It's a crazy time right now. But I promise I'm about to get back into the flow of things. Let me know if you got video ideas, something. I don't know. Just hit your boy up with something. Just show him some love if you have to. Hit the like button. You already know. Hit the like button right now. And if you're new, subscribe. With your subscription, you'll motivate me. But today I got an unboxing. Y'all can see the box, see the logo straight out of Nike. This was a collab with a certain basketball shoe, if y'all know the vibe. Ooh, I'm too strong. Kind of broke the box, you know. What have been making on games. But realistically, there really hasn't been much. I haven't even looked at it like that. But we got a Kobe. Yeah, pause the video right now. Take a guess. And if you didn't like the video yet, like it now. Take your guess, and then boom. It's a collab. It might not be the collab y'all thinking about, but it's a collab. Let's see. It is the undefeated Kobe Pro Tros. I honestly wanted to buy these shoes so I could see them in person. And Chief, these ain't it. These ain't like the teal ones. If you see the teal ones, guys, those are fire. Or even the orange ones, bro, fire. These are not it. Now I can understand why there ain't no resale value on these. I ain't messing with these. I love the undefeated logo. I want more Kobe's, but these are not it. I'll probably let go of them for not the low, probably retail, maybe a little bit above resale. You know, a little bit above retail on Go or StockX. So if y'all want these, it's size 11. But I did an unboxing. I got these thinking these were gonna be something else. These out. They look like dad trainer shoes. Be honest, be realistic. I don't know if it's the colorway or whatever, but y'all saw it. It's the Kobe 4 Pro Tro undefeated collab. I'm gonna try my best to bring out more videos. Let me know what y'all think about these, cause these ain't it for me personally. And I like almost every shoe. I don't got a problem. I like every colorway. I'm easy to go, easy everything. But let me know what y'all think about this. If you didn't do it yet, hit that like button. Let me know that y'all watching and y'all miss me. Subscribe if you're new. If you're not new, send this to your boys or your girls or whoever, your mother, your father, your sister, abuela. That sounded like a couple right there. Whoever wants to watch something just to let time pass by, send it to them. Follow me on Instagram. You trying to show me some love on IG? Manny1294. You want to show me some love on Twitter? MannyFresh1294. Do you want the sauce on PlayStation? MannyFresh1294. MLB The Show, 2K, COD, whatever y'all want. Y'all just want more of me? Let me know. Other than that, hope you have a good day. God bless up. Manny Fresh out.